engineering started in the year of 1982. 4 decades completed. We started a job work manufacturing company to today we are in the wings to missiles manufacturing unit. A journey of 40 years with lots of ups and downs. We are here today. Past 40 years, we have 5 branches in Hyderabad. And we are proudly to say Revathi Engineering is an ancillary unit to Bharat Dynamics Limited. We have a plant inside the BDL, Bhanuru. In the past journey, there are so many quality problems we used to face because there is no quality manufacturing machines. Finally, we have done a lot of R&D, one after another. We felt that this BFW Bharat Fridge Burners is one of the best manufacturing company in Bangalore, where we have purchased one of the VF1, a vertical milling machine, conventional, in the year of 1984. Since then, every year we used to purchase one BFW milling machine for 16 continuous years. That's how we have today a 10 machining centers and 6 conventional milling machines. In our success journey, because we are manufacturing high precision components, so these machines are helped us quite a lot. In the success story of Revathi Engineering, I can proudly to say we got 3 times hat-trick President Award for the import substitute items. There are many of our customers are used to say that why can't you buy any other import machines? Why can't you procure so that your reputation will be growing up? Then I always to say my import substitution award, he's got it, this import substitution machine of BFW. That's how I always love BFW machines, and this is in this 60th year of BFW, I proud to say your machines are much useful for not less than any other imported machines. Wish you all the best. Thank you.